Down 5. Left 5.
Ramirez!
Benji!
Up 10.
Next guy. What they're doing here is find like a similar size, like clear spot on the paper, adjust off that, and then we'll probably have to reface after this one. So you probably get 2 guys. So utilizing the tip of the black.
Con 1, belt to 30.
Contact!
Shooting on the wrong target. You shoot.